Hello, I'm back. I am just about to have a shower because I've been to the beach and I have literally soaked myself. I was playing in the sea with my little boy and he got me drenched even. And then I wasn't that deep and then I tripped over something. I think it was like seaweed or something, which cringes me out, and I fell over and got soaked and my hair was very wet too. I've got sand all over the place, so I'm just about to have a shower and sort that out, but I'll check back in with you in a few seconds. Lots of love. That is my shower done. I am dripping everywhere, but I told you what I was wearing. Oh, that's it. Just gonna go dry my hair and I'll be back with you in a minute.